Welcome back. I'm going to be doing a quick inbox review on this kit. It's going to be really easy because it's practically out of the box already. A little bit of a shipping gripe on this one. Now I totally understand it came from the United Kingdom, and so it's an overseas shipping. Things happen. But the way they shipped it, look at this. It came in, this is it. This is the way they put this box in a bag for overseas shipping. It was great that it was free shipping, but I mean, come on, this is a brand new kit, and you put it in a bag, and this is what happens. So I mean, it was an Amazon seller, and I just gotta say, you know, think before you ship something overseas in a bag, because wow. Anyway, you're probably wondering, is it okay? And the amazing news is that it actually is. And considering, now the bag was not open, it's not something that was like inspected by customs or anything like that, but it literally came like this, parts falling, well not, I mean open, everything's still on the trees fortunately, and in a sealed bag, but look at that. Anything that could fall out would fall out. Anyway, it's a pretty neat kit. It is a 1/44 scale, and so it is a tiny little thing. This is the ATR 42. I think that everybody who knows anything about the ATRs is probably more familiar with the 72, which is the larger one, Island Hopper. This is tiny. Wait till you see inside there. So I will probably open this up now. It's already open. I will pull it out now so that you can see it, and there's just a slight little damage. You'll see in a second. Okay, here we go. As you can see, not a lot of parts on this one. I think it's like in the 50s. I can't remember how many parts, 50 something parts, 55 maybe. But anyway, it's I put the Sharpie out there to show you the size of it. I've kind of gotten used to working in this scale, 1/144 scale, in the Embraer 190 that I'm working on, but this is definitely smaller. I wanted to do a prop plane next. This will be the next plane that's on the bench after the jet is done, and you know, it's adorable. But we are dealing with small parts, little tiny wheels. But it does have the doors for the landing gear, and look at these little things here. Right offhand, I don't know what they are, but they're neat. And some other things. Okay, so here is the only damage that I could find. If you look at the two props, one of them has a little bit of a bending going on, but it shouldn't be any issue to get that back straight, really. Not really worried about it. And that is the only damage I could see in the kit, amazingly. You expected it to be totally flattened or bent or something, but everything looks straight to me. Gosh, just really great detail on this. Let me get in closer if I can. See there? Look at that. And here is a look at the cockpit. Not extraordinarily detailed, and I don't see the panel. Maybe there isn't one. But anyway, it does come with a display stand, which should be pretty neat. The jet that I'm working on doesn't have a display stand, so you can display it in flight, or, you know, with the landing gear. You can't put the flaps down, so having the landing gear down in flight means you're taking off or landing, so it wouldn't look completely perfect. But anyway, there's a look at the instruction sheet, a big fold out thing. It's not color. but we're dealing with actual photos. I always like the way some companies do that. Actual photos of the actual model. Boy, look at all these little things you got to put on there. Anyway, and the clear parts, you do have the window strips. So that's a good thing. I always like that. And then we'll take a look at the decal sheet. I'll try to get in nice and close on that, because they are really high quality decals. When I build it, I will be using these Aeromar. Let's see if I can, well, let me show them first, and then I'll pull them away so that you can see the plane. Really good decals. But anyway, yeah, let me pull those away so you can see the, put those over there. So those decals will, the blue ones will go to make that plane right there. And that should look pretty neat. So this is going to be the next build that's on the bench. Here's a look at what comes in the kit. And it's a miracle it survived the Postal Service, but it did, and I'm glad, so I don't have to return it, and I can build this thing. On another note, you can see over here, I've got the egg plane. Whoops. I've got an egg plane that I got ready for whenever you guys are going to be doing the egg plane build this year, or next year, or whenever the next one is. I've got one, and I'm ready to do it. So, just mentioning that quickly. Otherwise, that'll wrap it up for this one. Look forward to seeing this one be put together, and then I'll get back to the bench. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you around.